Guys, welcome to tonbridge. We are live. Here come a
95, bound for Hastings.
that'll do. 9:12, that'll do. We're live from tonbridge. In the distance, you can see if I can get it up.
773s, 465, 375.
Some 73s up in there. The main depot, which we can't get to. There's about 7 of them sitting in there.
And there's a green light on the far side.
Oh, can't shrink the screen. No, it's not time for being silly, is it? Trains go to Ashford and bound for London, really. It's the only services that come here. You've got Southern and South Easterns. Over there's a train that we arrived on.
377, 301. Wait, I'm just going by.
If you look underneath the bridge on that side, you've got a tamper station. Lots of tamper machines, which you can't get to. That one's now leaving. He's now going. If you can get your phone out to see whether there's any freight coming through.
Please.
There she goes back to Red Hill. She will veer off to the left-hand side. That's where the other one's bound for Charing Cross goes to the right-hand side. It's bound to be some sort of freight. It's all quiet at the moment. Got nobody watching right now. Hi everyone that knows us. Jackson and Dad. Train and Bus Adventures. Oh, Mum's watching. Hi Mum. Or to you, Nanny. You've got a lot of apps open. Yeah, at least Mum's watching. We've never been to Tonbridge. It's the first time. We was at Red Hill, but we thought we'd come out a little bit more. There should be a train coming on platform 2 because we've got an amber light. Whether it's a freight train, I don't know. Jackson's now going to check that one out for us on the app.
The plane.
Not worried about the planes, mate. It's all about the trains.
Yeah, that rhymes. This station is not Tunbridge Wells anymore. Tunbridge.
Hi, Rachel. Thanks for watching. We didn't bother going to Doncaster in the end. It cost too much money.
There is expected at 14:24 Tunbridge West Yard. At 14:24.
But there is some 73s up in that yard. 212 is one of them, and 961 was the other, but we couldn't get the rest. So 2 tucked in behind.
Yeah.
I'm doing this via Facebook Live because I did one stream on the labs, but it automatically streams up, so you can't see it on your data. But fingers crossed we might see a freight train or two. Don't know yet.
At 14:34, another Tunbridge West Yard to Tunbridge West Yard.
It's a massive station though. You've got 2 fast speed lines in the middle. Then you got 1, 2, 3,
And at
4 platforms, isn't it? Yeah.
3 o'clock, there is a Woking Down Yard to Paddock, Wood, Keelan's sidings.
Don't know if there's a 69 in there or anything. Thank you. Thanks for sharing that, Rachel. Much appreciated. It's nice and sunny here.
It's dead.
It's not dead. Yeah, we just entered territory that we've never been before.
Oh, there's a Cessna. Oh, something's coming around that bend. There's some creature.
No, it's a freight train.
Oh,
Here we
69!
go. Here we go, guys.
69! 005!
69's coming through. This is exciting.
69 005! It's 69 005!
Yeah, we're going to see it in the flesh because we saw it as we was coming home from Crewe. But here we go. GBRF Green Machine, guys, coming through. A newly painted Class 69.
There she is.
Here it comes. Into view, guys, into view. She looked lovely. Named Eastleigh.
Named after a 33.
Look at that shine. This is what we're waiting for. The GBRF stuff. I think it's now going to do a driver swap. take some more pictures?
I just did. I got a photo of it, but I got a photo of the bag instead.
So why didn't you go up there and quickly take one? Why it stopped?
Nah, look, got a photo of it though.
Hi Phil, how you doing? How's work? Hope you're looking after my work. I'll try and zoom in. If I can. No, it's not let me. Yeah, there it is. It's just doing a driver's change. And that come from round the corner near the Tampers. I don't know whether it's going to go straight down into the yard or whether it's going to veer off to the left hand side. I think he's... So first freight train of the day.
And first 69.
Not bad, not bad.
What?
I think this one's just ready to be going on the off. Thanks, Rachel. That is a nice catch. Didn't expect it, but there you go. First freight train of the day, not bad.
Oh, there's a southeastern train coming.
That should be now leaving in a minute, I gather, after the passing train. I think he's got a couple of minutes wait. Hi John, how you doing? John Smart is now watching. Go green machine and pump that ticket. Punch the bell, as Jackson would say. Various driver swaps. See drivers coming up from up the yard there. They're now coming onto platform, coming into view. They've walked all the way from the sidings on your left hand side there. So there's a couple of 465s and that. I'm talking live, Phil. You don't put comments on it. You talk live, mate. I can read your comments, but obviously I'll answer you live. We've got the green light now on platform 2, so there should be another service coming in. Let's zoom now if I can. Oh, don't know what happened there.
Oh, 375 coming in.
I know you're live, I forgot to swipe. Not a problem, not a problem. Mum's gone now, I don't know where Mum's gone. We've now got a 375 coming in. Just coming in underneath the tunnel area now, coming out the platform. Where's this one going?
Charing.
Another one for Charing Cross. It's a 375. 914 if anybody needs it. We've got the right spot here, Jackson. Rachel's one of our dear friends. That started us off, really, didn't it, Jackson?
Yeah.
Hope you're feeling better today, Rachel. No more doing your layout for a little while. Give it a rest. Nope, Mum's back on. Mum's back on. I must be waiting for that one to go first. Did you say there was another freight train due or not yet? I was not that far away then. .75 is now going to be coming past your screen. Bound for Charing Cross. It goes on the right hand side and not the left hand bend.
Andrew, hello Andrew.
Hi Andrew, how you doing? Right. Thanks guys for all the thumbs up, it was great. It helps us out. Not good. Make sure you take it easy, Rachel. Take a break from building your layout. Hi Andrew.
Hi Andrew. Oh, 69 now in.
Here she goes, guys. She's now been given the all clear.
No, it's only 66 foot.
Bye, green machine. Yep, she's now going around the sidings. I think what me and Jackson are going to do when we go back towards Cambridge, we're going to get onto one of these Charing Cross trains, so it brings us on the right hand side of the depot. As we come in from the left hand side, you couldn't see the trains. And there she goes. Won't see that one for a while. I think we need a batch of iron brew, Andy. That'd be nice. We all need it. That kept us alive, that did. That's a great drink. Sorry if you can hear a bit of rustling. I'm eating some bread.